Okay, almost done. I just paused to look at the picture that I had added. Sorry. Okay, so we are going to, um, I'm not going to do anything other than move this bad boy to the end. Because then if we move it to the end, we've got 0 equals sine of 6 theta. Oh my goodness. Good gracious. All right, 6 theta plus cosine 8 theta minus cosine of 4 theta. Okay, and so this section right here is going to be a sum to product. So you're going to leave 0 equals sine of 6 theta plus, and you're going to rewrite it as a negative 2 sine of, you're going to add them, I'm just, for time, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So you got 6 theta there. And then sine of 8 minus 4 is 4, divided by 2 is 2 theta. Okay, so if you need to see that actual written out, everything written out, it's on the key in Schoology. So what you have here now is a GCF. I'm going to factor out sine of 6 theta because you're factoring out the signs. The arguments are the same. So you can factor those out. So you've got 0 equals sine of 6 theta times the quantity 1 minus, because it is technically plus and negative, so minus 2 sine 2 theta. All right? Because that's what was all left there, right? And there was technically a 1 right there. So then now you have two products. When you multiply them, you get 0. So you just set each of them equal to 0. So 0 equals sine of 6 theta. And then over here with the other one, I'm gonna again jump ahead. You're gonna have a 1/2 equals a sine of 2 theta, because you would subtract 1 and then divide by a negative 2 to get there. So where does sine equal 0? Well, sine equals 0 at 0 and pi. So you take your argument, 6 theta, set that equal to 0 plus pi k, and divide everything by 6. So you get 0 plus pi over 6k. And then where does sine equal 1/2? You get it at 2 spots, actually. So you take your 2 theta, set that equal to pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. And then you're also going to take that 2 theta, your argument, and set it equal to 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. And then, of course, when you divide by 2, everything by 2, you get theta equals a pi over a 12 plus pi k. And then for the second equation, you get theta equals, equals a 5 pi over 12 plus a pi k. All right, so that's where you're getting all of your 3 answers. And again, the software shows your answers a little bit differently, but that's okay. This is a pi right there. Whew. Connect that. That's terrible. And that's it. I think I got one more.